Thanks very much for clicking on this tutorial. Here I'm going to show you guys the most important part of this lesson is going to be creating a sign up form. You're going to be able to get them to give you a make payment via PayPal, and this is it's so simple to set up, guys. No coding experience needed. It's going to take you probably about half an hour to set this up. I'm going to take you step by step how to do it. It's going to cost you. There is a free package here, but it doesn't allow you to take payments. We're going to use the professional package here. It's $29 a month to sign up for. You only have to sign up for 1 month. You can cancel at the end of it. So you're going to click on sign up. The reason why we have to, because it allows us to take payments. Okay, most importantly. So click sign up now. From here, you're going to type in your email address. So this will be your business email, whatever one you want to use. I'm going to go Pete at welcomehub.com. We're going to give it a password. Now you want to give it a custom URL, so you want to give this your business's name. So I'm going to call it My Lovely Hotel. So for this example, I'm doing it for a hotel. You guys, this can model this for any business that'll work. Click confirm. Great, now it's sent me a verification email. Once they've sent that, I'm going to go to your email and verify your account. So folks, once you've clicked the verification, email is going to click you through here to give to make payment. Okay, so just make sure here, look, it's trying to get us to sign up for the year. You don't want to do that. It's a bit of a cheeky one by them guys. So if you just go back here, what we're going to do is go back to the home page. So just click Woofu here in the left hand corner. It'll take us to our ads manager. From here, we're going to go to upgrade. You're going to click Go Professional. And now fill in your details and hit confirm. And then we'll take you, once you've done that, we're going to go back to the main page, your main page, and set this ad up. I'm going to do it from my other account, which I've already signed up for. Don't want to sign up twice. Okay, folks. Now we're going to create your order form for people to buy from you from your Facebook order for your retail shop. So this can be used across many different industries. Same principles apply. So what you're going to click here is the Create New Form button, and you want to build it from scratch. From here, we're going to ask for their name, their contact details, and where they would like this delivered. So first of all, we're going to give it a title. So call it, I'm going to call it My Lovely Boutique. This is just the name of my fake boutique shop. You can put your own name in there. Order form. And what we're going to do there is we're going to type in here, thanks for clicking through. Please fill in your details below. Okay, so if we click on this button here on the left side called Add a Field, we can add lots of different fields with no coding needed. So if you just click Add Single Line Text, then click on it, now you're going to be able to label this. So we're going to put this, we're going to call it, say, your name here. Okay, then we're going to go back and add another field, and we're going to click number, and click on that, and click your contact number. Okay. Then we'll go back, add another field. We're going to add a paragraph text, okay? And this is going to be your postal address. Okay. And we're going to hit return. I'm going to give them an example. Example. 44 there and more. Okay. Just to make sure, some people you'll find if you don't tell them exactly what to put in, they tend to forget exactly. They tend to just put in their street address. So this, you're making sure they're filling that in. Now we want these here to be required, so we're going to click on your name, click required, click on your contact number, click under options required, under postal address required, and see here, we're then going to go click here and click on single line text, click onto it. Okay. Now we're going to ask them for what item of clothing So we're going to ask them what item of clothing would they like to buy. Then we're going to ask them what size. What size would you like to buy? And we can also put it in there if you want, hit the plus button, create a new one, and we could say, what color would you like? And then type in brackets optional. So although this isn't as automated as the likes of a website, you might not have a website, guys, so this is just an opportunity for you guys to take payments online without investing heavily in a website, especially right now when you have stock you want to get sold. So what we're in it, we're asking for their main essentials. So we're asking for their name, their contact phone number, we're asking for their postal address, we're asking for what item of clothing they would like to buy, we're asking what size would they like to buy, and we're also asking what colour would you like. So that's just optional there, but these here, we click on them and we make them required. Okay. Now remember, if they maybe don't put in the correct description, you could, if they don't put in the correct description, you can always phone them just to confirm exactly what they want. Again, it's not perfect, it's not Amazon, but it's going to get you guys going selling online. Now, we also want to add one more field, and that is the email address. So if you click here under add field and go to email address. There we are. We're going to get their email address. We're going to get all the details we need from them. And finally, if you click on this part here, click on here, we want to send them, if you see this here screen, under confirmation options, we want to get them, we want to just if you're thinking as a person ordering through this, you want to be let know what the next steps are. So this is the text they'll see once they fill this in. So I'm going to say, thank you for ordering. We will phone you to confirm your order has been sent. Could say we can phone you / text you to let you know your order has been sent. Please check your email for a confirmation email from us to make sure your contact details are correct. Okay, and then we can send them a confirmation email. And then we click here on the send to button, and we want to send it to them. That'll send it to the email that they place in here. Click customize confirmation email. Your message fields are going to be empty, so what you want to put in here, the second field, you want to put in the name of your business. This is what's going to appear at the top of the, this is what's going to appear in the email inbox, their email inbox. Then you want to click and include a copy of their entry. And in this here, you're going to say something very simple like, hello, thank you for making your order. This is an email to ensure your contact and postage details are correct. Please see the details attached. If they are incorrect, please contact us on insert your email here, and also or call us on insert your contact number there. If they are correct, sit back and relax. We will take it from here. Warm regards, my lovely boutique team. There you are, click done. So now when someone fills that in, they're going to get your contact. They're going to get that email right back to them. Okay, so click save form, just to be sure, and then hit continue editing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to apply a theme. Okay, so click apply theme, and now you can create loads of different themes here. So what we're going to do is create new theme, and we're going to call this new theme. This is what it's going to look like. So you're going to create a new one, and you're going to click use newfangled theme as a base. So now it's looking nice and very modern. But when they receive this, they're going to see, when they open this, they're going to see this Woofu logo. And the thing is with this is people are going to think it's from Woofu and not you. So what we're going to do, super simple. We're going to click on logo, and we're not going to have a logo on it. You can add your own logo to it. That means you're going to have to host it on a different website and paste in the URL. So you get an URL, add in your logo here, but that's not going. Just keep it simple, guys. Just have none. If you can't do that, that's going to be fine. And if you want to get crazy, you can perhaps change the borders of the form. You can make it the color of your business. You see here I can click green. I'll change this to like a dark red. I'll make it thick. I'll make it dashed. And there's our cool little order form. Okay. So if I'm happy with that, I click Save Theme. And give this a name. So just call it My Boutique Theme. Click Submit. Okay. Now this theme's saved. So if I go back to my form, click on Forms up here in the main menu. Then scroll down and click into your My Lovely Boutique form. And from here, apply theme. So now you can scroll through here and decide on your themes. I have loads here created, so I'm just call it search for it, My Boutique Theme. Click that, and now our theme's saved. It's going to look a lot nicer now. So click Save. Now I want you to go to Set Up Email Notifications. From here, this means you want to put in your email address here. So I'm going to put in my email address, my personal email address from a business. So I put in my email address here. You put yours in there, so it's info at whatever it is, or if it's Gmail account, just so you get a customized notification saying new order for shop. We'll call this. And you can also CC other people of the business into this as well. Now, if you click done, that's you. So that's hit save now. Great. Now finally we're going to add payments to our to this here page. Back into your form. And we forgot to add in our price. Okay. So click price, and it's going to be added to the to your form. So amount you want to pay. So this will allow people to insert the amount they want to pay you along with all your contact details. So click here, and I want you to change this here to £sterling. Keep this the same, keep it price. You want this has to be required. Or I'll tell you what, if you make that not required, you can tell people, look, you don't have to pay online, but we can phone you up and charge over the phone. So there you are. They're allowed to insert what they want to pay for it. Now, yes, they might insert the wrong price. There's all these wee things that can happen, but by doing this now, you'll at least be able to follow up with them, because if they give you the wrong price for what they want to buy, you'll be able to just call them back with their phone number. Okay. So once you're happy with that, click Save Form, and then take you back to the Form Manager. Then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to go just like before, click View Payments. Then you're going to, just like before, we're going to go down to PayPal Standard. You're going to put in your whatever account it is you log into PayPal with. Then you're going to click £sterling. And now finally you want to assign the prices to a field. So we want to assign it to the field that you create. That's our price field. So whatever they put in, that's the price they're going to pay. Once you're happy with that, click Save Settings. There you are, folks. Now that's all been set up for you. Click Forms. So now what we want to do is we want to share that, have that there form link for that, so we can send people that link. What I want you to do, guys, is to go to Share Form. Okay, and click Copy. And there you go. So that's now copied. I can now add that to I'm going to save this, just paste that in. I'm going to save that there now. Just put it on my Word document, so I'll be able to go back to it when I'm setting up the rest of this tutorial. So now I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Facebook and Instagram ad.